Hello everyone, welcome back to Jen Sales channel. Have you been, I want to buy from Aliexpress, but you tried buying. But guess what? You don't know how to buy because you tried using your ATM card, Nigerian bank cards, but it keeps saying no, it's not going to work. It keeps bouncing back. Then I have the solution right here. So don't forget to watch this video to the end, because here in this video I will show you how to use, how to pay on Aliexpress here in Nigeria. It's super easy. So I'll be telling you how to do that. So if you know you want to buy from Aliexpress, and I love about Aliexpress, you can buy. There are other countries in Aliexpress selling. Yes, Aliexpress is not just a Chinese website. You can buy Bangladesh items from Aliexpress. You can buy Vietnam items from Aliexpress. You can buy US items from Aliexpress. You can buy China items from Aliexpress. You will see their logo right there. So Aliexpress is super amazing. And again, do you know that in Aliexpress you also have items you can ship for free? Don't worry, I'll be what will I say now? I'll be dropping a link, or maybe in the comment section or right up there. I've already made a video on how to ship, free shipping, how to get items and ship for free from Aliexpress. So many people have seen items they want to get, and they've seen the free shipping, but to buy is an issue. They want to buy, but they can't. So just calm down. I have the solution right here. So if you've seen so many lovely things you want to buy, be from Vietnam, from Bangladesh, from Turkey, from USA, from China, in Aliexpress, and you've seen the free shipping, or even if not free shipping, they also have other ones without free shipping, and you want to buy, just calm down. Just immediately go to your Google Play Store. If you're using Android phone, go to your Google Play Store. If you're using iPhone, go to your App Store, go and download Cheaper Cash. You heard me right. We have two website that can do this for you. Two apps. We have Cheaper Cash, we have Payday. These two apps are amazing. Actually, go to your Google Play Store, download Cheaper Cash, and it's easy to register there. You have your virtual card. You use a virtual card to pay. One beautiful thing about Cheaper Cash is it pays in. You can use it has Naira virtual card. There is dollar virtual card. So from Naira virtual card, you can also use it to send your money to dollar virtual card. And in Aliexpress they pay using dollar. So once you pay your money in Cheaper Cash using Naira, what you just need to do is to make sure you activate your dollar card on Cheaper Cash. They activate it using 3,000 naira or so. Yes, activate using 3,000 naira. You pay it. Once you pay your 3,000 naira, you activate your dollar card. Then when you activate it, you pay their dollar rate. Cheaper Cash dollar rate is okay. Yes, it's not too expensive. So you just need to pay to your Cheaper Cash Naira using your Naira to fund into the card. Once you pay, you will see everything is there for you. The virtual card contains everything. So they will also give you account details. Your own account detail will create an account for you. So you use the account details to pay. Once you pay it into the virtual card Naira, then you will now transfer it to your dollar card. That after activating your dollar card, you transfer it to your dollar card. And once you transfer it to your dollar card, boom, you can now use that dollar virtual card to pay on Aliexpress. It's super easy, very interesting. You can even use it to run your ads. You can use it to also collect money from your customers internationally. You can also use it to also pay international deals. You can use it to subscribe for your Canva. You can use it to pay any dollar. I think I even use it on Pindodo. Yes, so Cheaper Cash is amazing. Another app you can use is Payday. These are the two apps I'm going to be recommending for you to use for your Aliexpress or for international dealings, because these two apps are amazing. You just need to go and create your visual dollar card, and also when you go there, you have the visual Naira card, and you have the virtual what they call it, dollar card. So the first thing you need to do is to send to your Naira card first. Once you see your account details there, send the money there, activate your dollar card. You activate it with 3,000 or so to have your dollar card. So once you activate it, the amount of what you want to buy, maybe on Aliexpress or any international platform, Pindodo, you send the amount to your Naira card. Then immediately you transfer it, the equivalent of the dollar, transfer it to your virtual dollar card on Cheaper Cash or Payday. Once you transfer it, boom, you use the virtual card, and you log into Aliexpress, put in your pay, make sure you put in all those you see all the details, put it in, and boom, you make payment. Then in case you have any difficulty on how to do that, maybe what I'm just saying you don't understand it, please write on the comment section that please can you make a screen record on how it works. Now I know that you didn't get what I'm actually saying. Then the next video I'll actually make a screen record on how to log into your Cheaper Cash or your Payday and how to pay using this card. All right guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget, if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit that subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video. It will also help a friend to know how to do this. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I'll be telling you how to buy from China even without Alipay, even without international passports. It's super amazing. All right guys, bye for now.